Hey guys, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks for joining me. So this video is a little late. It was actually supposed to be done last Friday and I got super sick. I don't know what was going on, but I ended up having to cancel my video for Freaky Friday with Rosa and Martha. So today is the day I'm going to post this, and then I will give you guys another Freaky Friday post right after this. So you will have a twofers. So this will be posted during the day, and then I will have another short video for you in the evening. But I appreciate you guys being patient. I know I just wanted to make up for last Friday and not giving this video to you guys quicker. I've been super busy and with work and with watching my grandkids and everything, but I didn't want to miss out on the Freaky Friday with you guys, so I hope you all forgive me. Enjoy the short tutorial and take care. I wish you all a happy Halloween and enjoy your kiddos. I hope you guys have a good one. Anyway, happy crafting. The video tutorial is right after this. Hey guys, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Welcome to my channel today, and y'all, it is Freaky Friday, so that means we're doing another Halloween project, and I have a treat box to share with you. So I'm going to have Rosa Kelly's and Martha Tucker is joining us as well for this Freaky Friday in October. So I will have all the links down below for you. And to start off with our box, we're going to be using these tags by KS Craft, which is the 2 large tag dies, okay? And you get these 2 pieces here that fold up so you can make like a box. It's a box that goes in the front of this, but we're going to be doing a different type of box. So you can pick either the small tag or the large tag, and I'm going to be using the large tag today. So if you have this tag die, you can totally use it. If you don't, you can definitely make your own out of just a regular tag die, or just make a tag. And I will give you the measurements of this tag and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and cut my black cardstock and with the large tag die, okay? And I'm going to set those aside. And then you're going to cut out a piece of paper that is 3.5 by 11, okay? And then we're going to score that. So I'm going to bring this up here, alrighty? So bring that up here, and what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and score on the 3.5 inch side. You're going to score a 1/2 inch down on both sides, the right and the left side. Okay, so there's that one, and then there's at 3. So a 1/2 inch on your left side and a 3 inch score line on your right side. You're going to turn it to the 11 inch side, and you're going to score at 3.25, and then you're going to score at 7 3/4. Okay, just, I don't know if you guys can see the score lines like that. And then what we're going to do is we are going to grab your scissors, and you're just going to cut in between those score lines. So I just usually cut it like this, right on either side of that score line. Okay, just like that. Righty. And take those off. All right, so now you should have something that looks like this, okay? And you're going to go ahead and fold all 3 of these in. Now you can fold them in before you cut it, but I did it backwards. So it's up to you, however you want to do it. You're just going to go ahead and fold these in just like this. Okay, and then where you have your little score lines here, you're going to fold this up. Okay, this is super easy peasy, you guys, super easy peasy. Alrighty, so, okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we are going to glue these flaps to the inside of this bottom flap, okay? And I'm just going to grab my glue. bring that up just like that. And these would be so cute for Christmas too, you guys. So cute. Okay. Just like that. Goes in there, and then this one needs to come in this way. Just like this. Okay. And I'm making these for my grandkids, you guys. I think that they'll like them. I think it'll hold a lot of little treats in there for them. So now you can go ahead and you can add both of the sides of your little tag on there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put glue on here. Now I'm using, I think, 60-pound paper, but I really would recommend like at least close to 100-pound. If you got it, definitely use that. Okay. I mean, it's not that it'll fall apart. I just recommend it a thicker type of paper. So, especially if you're going to put like a lot of heavy goodies inside of your little box here. So there's that. Okay. And there we go. And we're almost done, you guys. Now you just got to decorate it, really. So that is it. That is it for the construction piece of this little box. So, yeah, so that's it. And I'm just going to grab my little bone folder and I'll stick that in here. And I'm just going to... I've got glue on it from past things that I've done. Whoops. Came up. Hot glue stuck to it, so I gotta take off that hot glue. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that down. There we go. And burnish that down really good. And there's your little box, you guys. And now you can just decorate it however you want. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my little decorations, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got a couple of little things. And I went ahead, and what I did was I used the smaller die from the tag die that I cut these out, the large tags from. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these on here. So yeah, so I just thought about that after I put this together. So if you want to do that to yours, you could do it before you put it together. But I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue on here and glue this on. I think it'll be okay. Just going to go ahead and put that on just like that. Scoot that up just a bit. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and press around with my finger and put my hand in the box just so it's nice and secure, and I can burnish this down. And then same thing with the back. Now you could decorate both sides if you wanted. I think it's really cute decorating both sides. I also made a little bow, and I used this bow that is by ZF Party. It's a bow tag topper, and I used, let's see if I can find the pieces. Oh my gosh. So I used this one and this one. And what you do is you cut this one out first, okay? And then you cut this one out and you put this one on top of there, and then you just fold it backwards and glue it down. I thought that was really, I don't even know if that's really right how you put it together, but I thought it was neat, and so that's how I did mine. And I'm just going to go ahead and place this. I had it up there, and then I remembered I wanted to, and then I thought, oh, I should stick this, cut that out and stick that on there. I thought that would be really cute. So, so I'm going to stick that little paper bow right there, right on top of that. And then again, you can do the back if you want to. I'm just going to do one side. And then I got these little stickers from a swap that I was in, and I thought these were so stinking cute. And so I'm going to go ahead and put these little stickers on there. And so I'm going to go ahead and put boo. And actually, I'm going to put this here on this side, right? And then we'll put the little ghost, the little ghosty, right here. So it looks like he's yelling, boo. And these are just from my granddaughters. So, you know, they love to trick or treat. They're still at that little age, and they're babies. Well, they're not babies, but they're 7, 4, 3, and 2, and a month and a couple of weeks, you guys. So, yeah. So I just had a new one, and I'll be watching her pretty soon, you guys. Oh my gosh, next week, actually. So I'm really super excited. Okay, you guys, I decided to go ahead and fast forward during this part because I'm just decorating, and I wanted to share with you, you can use whatever items you have in your stash. There we go. And you guys, easy peasy. Now, if I wanted to, you definitely get my stickles and go around this, and I think that would really brighten it up a bit, make it like kind of more, you know, super cute. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and added some stickles to there, and I think it looks really nice. It looks a little bit better than just plain. And yes, I like that. So these little, I think you could jazz up these little boxes with just about anything, and I think they're so cute. And there is enough in there for some goodies, definitely. So, and it's really deep, so I think, you know, with the sides being tall like this, I think it's going to hold a good load of little treats. So anyway, I'll be right back to show you the rest of them. Okay, so for this next box, I decided to use Rosa's new paper collection. It is called Ghost Party. And y'all, if you haven't seen this, these papers, oh my gosh, they are so stinking cute. So I'm going to share with you a couple of them that I have not cut up yet. So they are stinking cute. Here is some of the cut aparts. I used the cauldron from this one. It's right here. And then here is one of the backgrounds. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. I absolutely love this collection. It is so cute. And then she's got these like little circles on here that you can, you know, cut those out, use a, you know, paper punch or whatever you want, and just kind of cut those out. And they're so cute. Absolutely love this little ghost paper. She's got some backgrounds with a little kitten ghost and a pumpkin that says boo, a bat and some pumpkins. Oh my gosh, this little guy is so happy, and I love that. And then she has this little cat with the little bat and pumpkin, and then she's got another striped one with like some autumn in a little lantern, autumn leaves and lantern. So cute. So anyway, I'm going to fast forward. Okay, everybody, I am done with the large loaded tag boxes that I created for Halloween, and they are turned out so stinking cute, you guys. I absolutely love them. And so this is the one that I did with using Rosa Kelly's digital paper. It is so stinking cute, and it is called Ghost Party, and it turned out so stinking cute. I absolutely love this paper. It is so cute. And so I fussy cut out the bat, and I stuck stickles around the pumpkins. I cut this one out, and this cauldron, I went ahead and fussy cut out this little ghost and stuck it up there. Cut out the little sentiment, Happy Halloween. I went ahead and did a die cut with the web, and then made a bow with the black cardstock, and then placed on top of that the little pumpkin paper that she designed. And I used these little these little spider stickers, and they turned out so cute. I absolutely love this. So cute. And there's the back. So, okay, and then this one here is really cute. This one has the little cat with the witch's hat on it. I went ahead and used these little sticker pumpkins and a little sticker spider here and here. I fussy cut out this little bone skull with the hat, and then the butterfly, and this butterfly here. And I don't really think it needed a whole lot because the picture was so stinking cute. And this paper collection is from Kimmy Murray, and it is the Wickedly Beautiful collection. And then on the back I used just the hats. On this one here I used the black glitter paper with the bow, and I used the purple paper, this right here, for the bottom of the bow. It's so pretty. So there's that. For this one, I used a mixture of the Recollections paper, and I also used, again, those little sticker spiders, and I used the skull from the Recollections paper, popped up these little sticker pumpkins, and then this tag was from a swap that I just did, and it is so cute. So I went ahead and used that in the front. I really thought that was cute. And then on the back I went ahead and just used the spider paper. So cute. And then I did some skulls with the gold paper on that bow. So cute. So cute. So thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thank you all so much for being here with me. Take care and happy Halloween. Thanks so much for joining me today. Down below I have another fun crafty video for you to view, and don't forget to press that bell for future notifications. Thanks. Bye.